Hi friends, welcome back to Fluent English with Shekhar. Do you get confused between much and many? I will make it clear for you. Much is used with uncountable nouns to denote quantity. Uncountable means things you can't count. ಮಚ್ಚನ ನಾವು uncountable nouns. Uncountable means things you can't count. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಣಿಸಲಾಗದ ನಾಮಪದಗಳ ಮುಂಚೆ ನಾವು ಮಚ್ಚನ್ನು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಲೈಕ್ ವಾಟರ್, ಟೈಮ್, ಮನಿ, ರೈಸ್, ಆಯಿಲ್, ಶುಗರ್ ಎಟ್ಸೆಟ್ರಾ. ಇವುಗಳ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಮಾತನಾಡುವಾಗ ನಾವು ಮಚ್ ಅನ್ನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್, ಸಿ ಹ್ಯಾಸಂಟ್ ಗಾಟ್ ಮಚ್ ಟೈಮ್. ಇಟ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಮೆನಿ ಟೈಮ್. ಹಿಯರ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಈಸ್ ಅನ್ಕೌಂಟಬಲ್ ನೌನ್. ದಟ್ಸ್ ವೈ ಮಚ್ ಈಸ್ ಯೂಸ್ಡ್. He hasn't got much courage. Here courage is uncountable. Courage cannot be counted. Next, how much sugar do you need? Again, sugar is used as uncountable noun. She doesn't drink much water. ಇಲ್ಲಿ water is used as uncountable noun. ಇಲ್ಲಿ water ಎಣಿಸಲಾಗದ ವಸ್ತು. It's uncountable noun. There isn't much information about it. Here information is uncountable noun. So we have used much. I don't have much money. Money is used as uncountable noun. Money is taken together as quantity. Let us discuss what is many. Many is used before plural countable nouns. Books, chairs, friends, people, apples, etc. For example, I have many books at home. Here books is countable noun. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ many ಅನ್ನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. Next, how many friends do you have? Here friends is countable noun. There aren't many cars on the road today. Cars is countable, ಹಾಗಾಗಿ many ಅನ್ನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. She asked me many questions. Here questions is countable. We visited many places last year. Here places is countable, ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ನಾವು many ಅನ್ನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದೀವಿ. So friends, remember, much is for uncountable nouns, many is used for countable nouns. Practice with your daily sentences and you will never forget it. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.